Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making a pork chop skillet with garlic potatoes. So we've got a screaming hot pan here with just a little bit of oil. We're going to go in with our pork chops. We're going to sear them and then pull them out. Then we're going to make a little bit of a sauce and put them back in. Alright, so we're going to let those go for 3 to 4 minutes on each side and then we'll pull them out. Alright, we're ready to give these a flip. I'm going to let these go for a couple more minutes on this side, then we'll pull them off and finish cooking them shortly. Alright, so we're ready to set our pork chops aside. Alright, so we're going to let those rest for a few minutes. Now we're going to go in, I'm going to add just a touch more oil. I'm going to drop in our onions and our garlic. I'm going to saute our onions. Once they start to soften up a little bit, we're going to add some balsamic vinegar. Okay, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons. Let these continue to cook down. Okay, we're also going to add some pears and their liquid. I'm going to let this all cook down together over about medium heat. So while our mixture continues to cook, we've steamed some baby red potatoes, and now we're just going to simply mash them up using a masher, or you could use a fork. The best thing about this is it's completely rustic, so all you're looking for is a nice smashed potato. Leaving the skin on gives you more nutrients than if you were to remove the skin. I like to think that it adds flavor as well. And you can leave some texture to these, or you can mash them down as smooth as you want. We're not actually looking for like a smooth mashed potato in this case, so I'm going to leave them kind of chunky. To this, we're going to add olive oil, some fresh cracked black pepper, and we're going to use some garlic powder. Kind of toss it up. Set these aside. These are ready to go. So now we're ready. We're going to add our pork chops back into this mixture and let them finish cooking the rest of the way through. So we're going to nestle them down in the sauce. Okay. Any of the juice that is collected, add it back in. That's plenty of flavor. We're going to let these simmer away until our pork chops are cooked through. Should be another 8 to 10 minutes tops, depending on the thickness of your pork chop. Turn the heat down and let these go for a little bit. I am going to go ahead and add in some rosemary. And I'm just going to crush it in my hands as I add it. All right, so we'll let that go for a few minutes and we'll come back and show you the finished product in just a little bit.